Okay, so git ignore repositories. List of git repositories to ignore. And essentially what you do here is this is an array and you have to set the path for each repository that you want VS Code to ignore. So let me give you an example. I have YouTube auto upload, a repository that I created, and we can come here and copy this path and put it here. And now when we save this, if we remove the folder and edit again, it will be ignored by Git, right? So this is how this feature works. And obviously you can separate these repositories using a comma. And usually you would do something like this and have some other repository right here. However, I do not want to ignore any repositories. I want to keep them all here. So I'm going to leave this array empty.